This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome back. So today's topic is Servicenow Database View. So let me quickly share my screen. We will start. Okay, hope you people can see my screen. I'll go to the Servicenow instance right away. All right. So what is a database view? A consolidated view of data spread across more than one table. Table 1 and Table 2. Let me show you. So this text pad, it contains two tables. First one, employee personal. Second one, employee financial. Employee personal contains employee ID, employee name, employee address, three fields. Employee financial contains the financial details pertaining to the employee, like, for example, PAN card number and salary, two fields. Now, I want a consolidated view that contains all these fields, 3 plus 2. Is it possible to view all of them on a single form, single table? Yes, it is. We create a database view. Suppose we create a database view with this name, Employee Consolidated View. And we will make the fields appear like this. Employee ID, employee name, address, PAN card number, and salary. How to do this? First of all, we will create the first table, that is employee personal. I'll copy this name, Control C. We already know how to create a new table. Go to system definition tables. System definition tables. Okay, table. Yes. Coming up, I'll simply click on new table. I'll give the label as whatever I have copied from the text pad. Let it be global. Control V. And the name will be taken automatically by the system as I move away my cursor. All right. And create a new module. Okay. This is fine. So now let us save this table and add few columns quickly. It is saving. Yes, we have the table ready, but how about the columns? These are the core columns created by the system automatically. We want our custom columns like employee ID, employee name, employee address. So quickly create one as employee ID, type string, EMP ID should be good enough. 40, let it be default and submit. Next. String employee name, EMP employee name. Let this be 40 and submit. What is the third field? Address. So let's add address. Where did I click? Type string EMPADDR should be good enough. Let this be 100 and submit. How does our table look? Let us have a look. So, can I locate my table over here? EMP personal. This is the one. What does it contain? Employee address, employee ID, employee name. If I try to create a record, let it be like E0001, employee name, employee address, submit. One record is ready. Let us add a few more. E0002, submit. We will add a third one. E0003, and submit. Dummy data. How does the list layout look? Like this. One table is perfectly ready. Now let's create a new one. System definition, tables, new, copy the label, EMP financial, paste it. Now, okay, I will save this. Cool. Let us add two columns. First, PAN card number, string, and let it be like this. And this would be 40. Anyhow, it is sample data. I'll save it. And the next column is salary. Coming up. It is taking time. It is a bit slow. We'll wait. And I would like to tell you that whenever we say a consolidated view, that is, we present the data that is spread across multiple tables. So there should be a primary key. There should be a unique column. that is present in both the tables. So here we will have to take the employee ID so that we can match these two and bring the data. Okay. EMP ID financial. Let it be like this. Control C. Two columns added. Let's add the third one. Yeah. Employee ID financial. Let this be also 40 and submit. Cool. So how does this look? Let's check. And we will add few records as well. EMP financials. This is how it appears the navigation, and this is how it appears over here, the list layout. Now, for each employee ID present in the first table, E0001, I don't know who is this. It will have and salary. Submit. Taking time. Cool. We will add three records, one for each. E0002. Submit. And the last one. E0003. Suppose the data is stored in this manner, scattered across more than one table. Now, my manager says that I want a consolidated view. Whenever I open, I should be able to see all the columns: employee ID, name, address, PAN card number, salary, everything in a single view. Let's do one thing. Database views, system definition, database views. Click, click on new. Give it a name like PKJ DT base and submit. As soon as you submit this, it will display additional section. See the tables that it should include. I click on new. It asks me for the table name. I don't remember it. It was EMP personal. EMP personal. Yes. All right. Submit. Yeah. Variable prefix. I'll tell you what it is. For now, EP. Employee personal. Submit. I'll explain you what is the significance of that. Now, I have added personal table to this database view. Now, where is my second table? Click on New. Coming up. What is the name of the second table? EMP Financial. E Financial. EF and submit. Now, what does this whole thing means? It means there is a database view named PKJ database that brings us data from two tables. The short form of employee personal is EP. The short form of employee financial is EF. We have to give the where clause. Let us try to give the where clause similar to I have a screenshot of the view I created previously. What does it say? ED underscore U underscore EMP ID. Okay, so we will also create our own something like EP underscore. We don't know the table name, right? Let's do one thing. Now let us duplicate this. Coming up. EMP personal. Yeah. In this table, what is the name of employee ID? Open any record. See, if you right click on this, it is U underscore EMP ID. U underscore EMP ID. U underscore EMP ID equal to. Now, where is the next table? EMP financial details. EMP financial. Open any record. What is this? Right click. U underscore EMP ID financial. FINCL. U underscore EMP ID EF underscore U underscore EMPIT financial. What is EP? This is the prefix of employee personal table. What is EF? It is the prefix of employee financial table, followed by employee ID column name, which is U underscore EMPID FINCL. This one U underscore EMPID. Copy this. Control C. Go back to the view. Try to add the query over here. Control V. How does it look? Or let us do one thing. We'll confirm it. We'll open this record. Open it. Coming up. This is how we have added the query. EP underscore U underscore EMPID equal to EF underscore U underscore EMP ID financial. Okay. All right. So go back and what is the name of the database view? I forgot. If you forget, simply come here, PKJ database, and then how does it look? Primary, secondary, yes. There is a link called try it. Click, it will get us the data. See, employee ID, keep whatever you want, remove the unwanted columns. Salary updated, remove, updated by remove, remove. Yes, employee employee name, employee address, salary and PAN card number, out of which employee ID should be the first one, then employee name, drag it up, address, okay, PAN card and salary. Now, how does it look? Now, this is the database view named PKJ database that brings us data from two tables and makes us feel as if it belongs to a single table. So I don't have to go to each table. This is the point where this is the place where I can view the data from both the tables. Employee ID 001, his name is Pankaj, lives in PAN card number is this and salary is this. If you open one of the records, let's see how does it look. This is similar to the joins we use and other relational databases. We give the where clause, same thing we are doing over here. You can even build a report on top of this. In ServiceNow, we already know how to build a report. We go to the report module, we click on create new report, and then we add the table. Instead of table, we can add this database view and we can build a report on top of this. It is coming up. Okay, we will have to configure its view. See, from here we can employee ID, employee name, address, PAN card, salary, save. So friend, we create a database view. All right. So that's all for today. This was an important topic. Even in the interviews, we'll get questions around this. So you have to see how do we build a query, how do we take primary, secondary tables. We add a where clause, and that's how we gather the data from more than one table. So friends, hope this is clear. And yeah, subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Bye bye.